Welcome back to the Reload Bench. So today's unboxing is my first order from GunMagWarehouse.com. I've known about them in the past, but they just haven't had a whole lot of what I was looking for in stock. And to go to some place that's one-stop shopping for all your magazine needs, I'm going to get a variety of magazines. So I'm not going to place an order for one or two magazines or just for one or two types of guns. So finally, they had enough items in stock that I thought I'd go ahead and give them a try. And a little bit about this order. I placed it on February 10th, and it arrived on February 26th. Shipping was $10. It came in priority mail today, and you guys know I'm not a big fan of the post office. I prefer FedEx and UPS. And it's in a single wall box, and you can hear everything's rattling around in there. Now, we'll open it up here in a second and just see if they put any packing material in there. You might go, they're gun mags. They'll be fine. I know, but there's always a chance that this thing's going to get busted open or crushed or something else like that. I kind of think just right off the get-go before I open it, the packaging's kind of chintzy. And for the longest time, it showed that the order was pending whenever I'd go check my account. And I was wondering if I was ever going to get this stuff. They did charge my credit card right away, which I do like, but I just don't know. It just seemed to take forever. I mean, it's only 16 days, but it seemed like it took forever. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what I got. All right, let's go ahead and cut through the tape here. All right, let's just dump it all out. Wedged in there. Alright, so I got a little bit of everything. Oh, there's an envelope. Let's see what's in there. Packing slip. Alright, so I've organized it a little bit so it's easier to show what I got. So the main reason I placed the order was for these two. These have been out of stock everywhere for a while, and I set up a notification with GunMag Warehouse. They emailed me to let me know the product was back in stock, and I jumped on the order right away. Since I was already paying shipping and there are a few other things I could use, I decided to just go ahead and place an order for all of these other items, especially considering they actually had them in stock. Now, over here, I've got some Glock mags from ETS. Here's a 45 caliber Glock 30 magazine. This is a 9-round, and here we've got a 10mm Glock mag for a Glock 29. This is a 10-round. And this is a 9-round 40 caliber Glock magazine for a Glock 27. All transparent plastic from ETS, made in America. You might ask, what are you doing with Glock mags? Well, you'll see in a future video. But I do have ulterior motives for having Glock mags. Here, I'll throw them over here with these other Glock mags. I also got this 10-round Hi-Point magazine for 40 caliber Hi-Point, and this one, maybe I'll do a video on this and this Taurus magazine I got for the G2C, this 12-round G2C. There's a reason I got both of these magazines, and I don't want to explain it here in this video because I don't own either of these guns, but I may do a video later on and explain why I threw those on the order. Additionally, I got this this magazine spring and follower from Wilson Combat. Now, I'm not a big fan of Wilson Combat guns. I think they're overpriced for what they are. And Bill Wilson himself said, don't drop the slide on an empty chamber on my 1911 or you'll break it because it's too fragile. That right there tells me that their guns are crap. However, I have used their magazines before and they work really well. And I have used at least one 1911 part that I've had mixed results with. Actually, there's a video on that eventually I'll be putting out. And I decided to go ahead and just get this spring kit in case I ever have to rebuild a mag. Maybe I try this out in a different brand magazine and see if the Wilson spring and follower maybe work a little bit better. That's for a future project, maybe. What's in the envelope? I don't know. I don't remember. Let's get some scissors and open it up and see what's in here. Oh, wait, I know what's in here. I just remembered. GunMag Warehouse patches. These are their vinyl Velcro patches. You see they got the regular hook and loop backing here. So I got some patches. They also had this one here with the BAR I thought was really kind of cool. And this one's also got, yeah, this is got the Velcro backing as well. So this is some inexpensive swag that you can pick up when you place an order. And from time to time, I'll be looking for something like that. Patches, stickers, things like that. And I've got some friends that give out swag for this and that. And sometimes I'll send them things like this because it really doesn't cost anything to throw these on an order. Sometimes they'll throw this sort of thing on for free. Plus, I want to have a Velcro patch for my patch wall whenever I get around to doing that. Yeah, that's another video in the future too. Regardless, that just gives you an idea of what to expect if you decided to go ahead and get a Velcro patch for yourself, or what condition the box would show up in if you decided to place an order with GunMag Warehouse. I think I will do business with them again in the future, but it's going to be a similar situation where something I put a notification in for that's been hard to get is available, or where I can get a whole bunch of different things at once, because it just, in my opinion, isn't worth it just for 1 or 2 items. So hopefully somebody found that useful. If you were wondering about buying from GunMag Warehouse, or wondering about something as simple as their Velcro patches or whatnot, and maybe I'll explain some of this other stuff in future videos if I ever get around to making them. Thanks for watching.